So दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं पार्ट 2। We are talking about Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition and why this is probably the best laptop in the country. मैं इस लैपटॉप को ओपन करने जा रहा हूं, इसके सारे स्क्रूज खोलेंगे, इसको पूरी तरह डिसमेंटल करेंगे और देखेंगे why is this probably the best quality laptop available in the country. और इसके लिए मैं यूज करूंगा Mi Precision Screwdriver को। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो मैंने सारे स्क्रूज हटा दिए हैं और चलिए इसको ओपन करते हैं। So guys, this is how the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition looks from inside. Now before we move forward, a huge request to all our Mi fans, everyone who is watching us at this point of time, please do not, I repeat, do not try to open your laptop on your own. हमारे 2000 सर्विस सेंटर हैं, आप किसी भी सर्विस सेंटर में जा सकते हैं। They will be very happy to repair the laptop for you. अगर आप खुद ओपन करेंगे तो आप लैपटॉप को डैमेज कर सकते हैं एंड इवन वर्स, अगर आपने बैटरी को डैमेज किया तो ये ब्लास्ट हो सकती है, बर्न हो सकती है और आप इंजर हो सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं what is there in this incredible laptop. The first thing that you will notice is a huge battery. It comes with a lithium ion battery with 46 watt-hour of capacity, and something that you will notice is it has 4 cells: cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and cell 4, and that is why it gives an amazing 10 hour of battery backup. Trust me, आप इसको फ्लाइट में लेके जाइए, आप इसको मीटिंग्स में लेके जाइए, इसको पूरे दिन यूज करिए, it will still last for a long time. चलिए बैटरी को ओपन करते हैं। And this is amazing battery of Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. Over here is the 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. This is the motherboard, the heart and the brain of this device. This is the 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. This is where you have the processor and we'll look at it. And the thing that you see over here is the heat sink. We have probably one of the best heat sinks available in the market. It starts from here, goes till here and takes the heat to this fan and it dissipates from here outside. And this ensures कि आपका लैपटॉप कभी भी गर्म नहीं होगा, हमेशा ठंडा रहेगा, हमेशा comfortable रहेगा to hold. This here with me, as you can see, is the storage. 512 GB of storage and that too NVMe SSD, which makes it super fast. This is the fan. You can see very sleek, very slim. When you use this laptop, you will not hear the sound of the fan running in the background. This is the heat sink. यहाँ पे आपको कॉपर प्लेट दिख रही है, फिर से कॉपर प्लेट दिख रही है और यहाँ पे जो आपको 2 ग्रे कलर चीजें दिख रही हैं, that is the heat paste. Heat paste सारा heat absorb करता है from processor, from CPU, then it dissipates to this copper plate and then it goes out to this place जहाँ पे fan को transfer होती है और fan से outside world. Now one thing to note is that only these 2 things are not copper plate. This entire heat sink is made of copper. Yes, पूरा का पूरा heat sink आपका copper का बना हुआ है. ये of course painted है black और ये जो 2 surfaces हैं ये हमने paint नहीं करी हैं, इसलिए आपको कॉपर का कलर दिखता है. So this is what keeps your device very cool. We have the RAM, the CPU, we have GPU, and over here this white color thing is the Wi-Fi chip. When you open it, this is how the Wi-Fi chip looks, and we are providing Wi-Fi 5, which is probably one of the best Wi-Fi chips that you can buy in the market. Here we have GPU, one of the first laptops in the world to be launched with NVIDIA MX350 graphic card. And we have CPU, which comes with integrated GPU also. So we have integrated GPU here and then MX350 graphic card over here. This is where the magic happens, the RAM. We are providing 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and you can see there are 8 chips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो मैंने इसका मदरबोर्ड निकाल लिया है. This is the heart and the brain of this device. The most incredible thing, which is motherboard. You can see how nicely it is designed. On the back, once again, you have a copper plate which absorbs all the heat and doesn't allow this laptop to heat up. These are the two speakers, one on each side, one on this side, one on this side, and they give you a surround sound kind of quality. It comes with DTS audio technology, and trust me, इस लैपटॉप की जो साउंड है बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है. और यहाँ साइड में you have extension board which is used for USB and audio connectivity. You can see it, and you have very high quality FFC cable which connects the motherboard to this extension board. And here in the bottom, you have of course the trackpad. Very beautiful, very elegant, and super slim. Now before we end, remember we spoke about the aluminum alloy body of Mi Notebook 14 and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. Now metal body not only gives it a very premium feel, but also adds to the sturdiness. Let me show it to you. You can try scratching it, try hitting it, still you will have zero scratches on your surface. So this is the incredible flagship Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. Once again, I would want to request all our Mi fans, please do not open the laptop at your home on your own. Take care, and I sincerely hope all of us remain safe. Thank you so much guys. Namaste.